40. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so Dora, like we have learned, 2 times 2 equals 4, right? So that's why 4 divided by 2 equals 2, right? And we have 3 plus 2 equals 5, so that's why 5 minus 3 equals 2, right? So when we're learning like 2 to the power 4 equals 16, so actually there is something backwards as well. It's called log 2 16 equals 4. Get it? So
Oh, okay.
this number is base, and this one is answer, and this is power. So I want you to first write down these things here first, okay? After you finished writing, you let me know, okay? 你先把这个抄下来啊。嗯，什么东西？
抄下来了。
抄下来了？怎么等？我这个为什么突然变成这样 ？OK，我大概不小心碰了一下。抄好了是吗？
谢谢你。
好。So let's take a look at this one. So for instance, Dora, if I give you some questions like log 4 and 16, so can you tell me the answer? So basically you're talking about, so log 4 at 16 equals x. So 4 power x equals 16. So x equals 2. So that's why x, so this one equals 2. Get it? Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to give you some questions, okay? Okay, so 6 questions. When you finish, please let me know.
Should I just tell you them or should I
When you
write them?
finished, so let's just tell me which one. So
Okay.
equals.
So that equals 2,
Mhm,
and then it's 2 again, and
mhm,
then 3,
mhm.
and then it's 4, 2, and 0.
Very good. Okay. So now, Dora, let's take a look at the next one. Okay. If I give you 2.5 equals what? And log 4 and 1 over 16 equals what? Can you take a look? Try to find out yourself.
Is it like an exponent?
Yeah, you think about a -1, correct?
And the thing is, like, if something was square rooted, it's still squared. It still have to be positive. and we get negative.
Okay, so think about it, right? So this one, because they are, so you think about it, you need to think about it too, because that's the base, right? That's ends. So 2 power x equals half. So x equals what? -1. Get it? Because 2 power
Oh,
1
okay,
equals
okay.
2. 2 power -1 equals half, right? So can you tell me the second one? I think you
Mm.
know the answer, right?
Yeah, let me write this down.
Yeah.
X equal negative. Wait, no. Negative 4, right? Oh yeah, it's 2. -2.
Correct? So it's -2, correct? Do you understand, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's move forward, okay? So the second one is we have a concept, okay? So if you have log, for instance, we have log 2, 4 plus log 2, 8. So basically equals log 2, 4 times 8. But there's a very important thing, okay? So for this one must be bigger than 0. Okay, so the base must be bigger than 0. And the base cannot equals to 1. And also m and n. So both these two numbers must be bigger than 0 as well. Cannot be negative. Okay, I want you to follow, like, copy these down as well.好了，告诉老师啊，
好的，好的。
知道了，你知道啦。
很快，很快。
OK，没事，你好了告诉我啊。
好的，好的。好。
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So if you understand that, also log AM over M also equals log AM minus log AM. Okay,
Yeah.
you copy this one as well? You did, right? Okay, so let's take a look at next one. 我这个怎么回事？嗯，怎么下不去呢？又这样了。好，来来来来来，耶，下的太多了。OK，慢点慢点慢点。OK，so let's take a look at this question, the first question. Okay. So if log A, sorry, if A equals B squared, okay, so for which B is bigger than 0 and B is not equals to 1, then could you please tell me how to calculate log A? Which one is right? A, B, C, D, which one's right?
哦，哎，我不知道，我好像色盲呀，我都没看到那个黄色。来猜一下你在问什么？OK，
色盲了。
我也不知道为啥。B square 应该是 D 吧？
OK，好，首先啊，第一个事情，OK， So I have to know the base is what, right? So this one, actually, I want to rewrite it as b squared equals a, right? So the base is b, the power is 2, the answer is a. Very good. The answer is D. Good job. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at the next one. So if I have log, yeah. So log x and the square root y 7 equals z, and x, y, z is qualified for which one of them? Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
这个 y square root 7，
这个地方啊，你要知道。So this is something why I didn't give you the hint before. Is you know why square root 7 equals what? That's something you need to think about.
就是 1 divided by to the y to the power of 1 divided by 2
No, it's like that.
powers 1 divided by 7。
嗯
哦，就能直接变1 divided by 7呀？我还以为是1 divided by 2再乘以1 divided by 7。
Get it?
嗯哼。
Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so that means that's the answer, right? So that means x power z equals y to the power 1 over 7, correct?
嗯哼。
Hmm. So if both left side and right side I do power 7, so do I get y x power 7z equals y? Did you get it?
Yeah.
So that's why the answer is D. Got it?
Mhm.
Okay. Let's take a look at the next one, okay? If I have log AB times log 3A equals 5, then B equals what?
Okay. 这跟加跟减一样吗？
不一样，不行。但是你看这个题目，它把答案给你了呀。那你能不能把这个答
哦，
案放进去啊？
嗯，log 应该
OK，好，我们来看一下，if b equals a power 3, then log a3 equals what? Equals 3, right? So 3 log 3a equals 5, correct? Get it? So they
嗯
didn't,
啊
they just ask you what is b?
that's a to the power of, oh, and then a to the power of 5.
Yeah, correct?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so this is something like there's a tricky thing, right, Dora?
你能直接加吗？
不能，它是乘法。
对，
对啊，它是乘法。你再回去看一下那个 你再回去看一下那个公式，公式在
嗯
里面乘，这个外面是加的，
嗯
看到了吗
嗯，看到了。
？So let's take a look at this one, okay? Yeah. 哦，不行，哦，这个，还有好，这个是第二个。对，我要跟你再讲一下那个换底公式。那吃什么呢？那么香？
那个水果。
等一下，我要找一下那个换底公式给。哦，我要先把这个给你讲完。
嗯
Something，这个不给你讲，你到时候什么题都做不了。赶快有个题跟你说一下。So let's take a look at this one, okay? So, Dora, 我们不用这么难的题目，我们先来一个简单一点的题目，okay? So if I give you a question like square root 5 over square root 3 minus square root 2, do you think this is okay to write some answers like that?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Can
No,
you still simplify it?
no, you cannot leave the square root under the denominator. This is not right, okay? But how to get rid of the denominator for this one is you have to do square root 3 minus square root 2 and times what? Square root 3 plus square root 2. Okay, so both top and bottom times the same thing is not going to change the value of the original value, right?
Mhm.
Correct? Understand this part?
Mhm.
Okay, so now we have square root 3 minus square root 2 times square root 3 plus square root 2 equals 3 minus 2. So the top is square root 15 plus square root 10. So the answer is square root 15 plus square root 10.
Mhm.
Understand?
Okay.
Okay, so I give you some questions to practice, okay? So square root 6 over square root 3 plus square root 5 and square root 2 minus square root 3 over square root 2 plus square root 3. Okay, just two questions. You practiced it.
It would be square root 5 minus square root 3.
You times what? You
Oh, you multiply by square root 5
minus square
minus square root.
yeah, right? So equals what? So the bottom is
Equals-
5 minus 3, right?
Yeah, 5
The
minus
top
3.
is square root 30 minus square root 18, right?
Mhm.
It's 2 and a square root 30 minus square root 18.
Yeah.
OK，好，下面第二题。做完了告诉我啊。
好的，好的。
嗯哼。
是 -5 吗？
我们来看一下啊。
嗯
So this one, basically we have to do -2 minus -3, right? Times. And the top is also -2 minus -3, correct? Okay, so you can see this one is 2 minus 3. You can just change it to 3 minus 3, it doesn't matter. So it's square root 2 minus square root 3 squared, correct? So the answer is 2 plus 3 minus 2 square root 6 over -1. So the answer is 2 square root 6 minus 5. That is the answer. Take a look.
Wait, how do you get the 2 square root 6?
A minus B squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB.
Okay. OK，好，那我开一下灯。
Okay.
嗯，好的。
Okay, so if you understand this one, so we can go on to take a look at this one, the challenge question.
Oh, okay. Anyways, how do you multiply square roots again?
What does it mean? Like this one? So I already gave you the hint, right? So you take this one as a whole thing and this one as a whole thing. So you time like 5 minus square root 2, sorry, I'll just do this, plus square root 3. And the top you do 5 minus square root 2 plus square root 3 as well. Get it? So this one's a whole thing. So it's 5 minus square root 2 squared minus 3. That's the bottom. The top is like you times it out. So it's square root 2, 5 square root 2 minus 2, and plus square root 6. So like that. And the bottom, you do it again. So this one, if you just take them out, it's 2 minus square root 2 and 5 square root 2 minus 2 plus square root 6, correct? So you times 2 plus square root 2. And this one, you 2 plus square root 2 as well. Oh, sorry, this one's squared. No, it's just squared, you cannot directly. Sorry. 写的不清楚还是不行。So there's a squared, right? So here is 25 plus 2 minus 10 square root 2 minus 3. So the top we just copy down. Do you understand this part, Dora?
Wait, how did you find um next thing, like the things you multiplied by?
Which part?
Like this part.
画出来. This one? This one,
The
you take 5 minus, so a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. That's a 平方差公式. So that's why this is a minus b, this is a plus b, so that's why it's a squared minus b squared.
哦，
你前面一
我
直都在
长了，
做，那不然你前面怎么做？
我都还有点直接 reverse 了。
嗯
那个，对，
嗯哼
我都一直和你一直在 reverse 呢。我还在想我那个怎么 solve 出 denominator 是20呢？
嗯哼
Yeah, I did 5 minus square root 2 minus square root 3 times square root 3 plus square root 2 plus 5.
Yeah, so understand? So this one right now is you just minus this one. So 27 minus 7, 3 equals 24 minus 10 square 10, 2. So times 24 plus 10 square root 2. And so the top you need to time the same thing. It's going to be a very complicated number, but the thing is you have to understand how to do it. Understand?
Yes.
OK,那你前面做对，你前面怎么做对？
我也
哦，
在想
对啊。
magic.
So let's take a look at. 那我给你做几道题吧，我觉得你还是要做一做。One, two, three, four，你得做一下，
哦，
你不能。我本来想就不用做了，还是得做一下啊。
进 b 就等于给 a squared minus b squared 加 b 乘以 a 减 b。
对啊，那就是根号7加根号3乘以根号7减根号3，对不对？
嗯，你猜，我好像就是不会乘根号，
啊，不会乘根号。
我好像没学过。
你看啊，根号7加根号3乘以根号7减根号3，对不对？OK,你就把
嗯，
这个根号7呢当成 A，根号3呢当成 B。那是不是就把它就变成什么了？是不是就变成 a 加 b 乘以 a 减 b 了？那是就等于 a 的平方减去 b 的平方，所以就等于根号7的平方减去根号3的平方等于7减3。
嗯啊，呀，啊呀
明白了吗
，yeah。
？OK,那第二题自己会做了。
等一下，我第一题是什么？根号7加上根号3除以4，对吧？
嗯哼，
不是减的是第一个，第二个写下来是，Oh my god，
哎，当
如果
然你
这
做啊，
上面，嗯，
我要去换个卫生巾。
哦，好的好的，
那你一样啊，你这个你看6乘以根号15减根号6，对不对？那你就这个乘就是6根号15啊，这个就
诶，
是减去6根号6，就这样。然后你看，如果
那个
你要
上面会写啥？
如果你
上面
根号
写几十？
三乘以根号2，就等于根号3乘以2等于根号6。
嗯，
你现在做到哪儿？你是不是根号十
我现在
五？
我 denominator 是9啊。
对呀，对了，对不对？那你上面呢，是不是6乘以根号15加根号6，对不对？
对对对，我之后就不知道往哪里走。
那就一样啊，你这个可以 simplify 啊，这里是3，这里是2，对不对？对，这是6乘以根号15加根号6除以9，那为什么这不能 simplify？除是3和2，对不对？好了，那你把2
哦
乘进去啊，那就是 2/3根号15加上2/3根号6，
哦，好的，
明白了？我去上个厕所啊，马上回来，你把第3题做了啊。
嗯。
做的事情就是吃猫毛，嗯，
啊猫，
义子。我跟你说个事情，Dora，我们家有一只狗，我们家那
嗯，
个狗超级烦的，它最喜欢做的事情就是，哎，做各种坏事情惹我生气，including 还吃猫毛。这个做出来了吗？这个有点那个啊，我跟你说，你看这个是不是要下面乘以
我的，
6加2，对不对？然后根号6，
对对对，我就是这样子，然后配加
好，
二的，
你告诉我，那你告诉我等于多少？等于6减几？
下面是二，
对了，6减4。对了，那上面呢？上面我们看一下，根号6乘以根号2等于根号12，对不对？
对，更好是，
2加上2
对，好的，
就等于2根号2，对不对？好，这下面是2，对不对？好，你看啊，根号12等于什么？根号12是不是等于2根号3？所以
哦，
2根号3加上
对对对，
2根号2除以2，所以这个2又可以约掉，所以等于根号3加根号2。
哦，好的好的，我不知
找到了吗？
道能那样子约，
对啊，
嗯，好的，嗯，然后第四道题， 我能这样子吗？待我写下来一下。这下面你嗯，诶，这上面也是的话，
哎，你这个
然
先做
后
完，这个做完了吧？
我跳了吗？
哦，没跳，没跳，没跳，这是第三题，对对对。
然后这样子
我
的话，那我能两边都 square 这个吗？
不是，你看我知道，我先给你再重新来一遍啊。你看这个地方啊，我给你写的清楚一点啊，我们写在上面，对不对？那你看它你是不是就得二减去根号二的四次方，对不对？乘以二
对的。
加上根号二的四次方，对不对？你反正每次都只能这样嘛，对不对？上面就是二加上根
嗯，
号二的四次方，对不对？是不是
对的，
这个样
对的，
？OK，好，
对的，
那这个
对的。
等于什么？这个呢等于四减去二的根号二，你们懂不懂？Because this one squared equals four and this one squared equals square root two。然后你再做四减根号二乘以四加根号二，然后上面是二加根号二的四次方乘以四加根号二。Do you understand? Because this guy squared is equals 2 to the power 1 over 4. So 2 to the 1 over power 4 squared equals what? Equals 2 to the power of a half.
OK，
你什么时候想不通了，你就把它变成这样子的形式：二的四分之一方的平方等于什么？是不是就等于二的四分之一乘以二等于二的二分之一 which is square root two。
yeah。OK，对，yeah，that's true。
对不对？好，做一下啊。
你去，确实，嗯，老师，你是怎么从这里到这里的呀？
没有没有，这个只是我告诉你怎么做一下，就是这个根号哪来的？你看到这个就是二的四次方，对不对？这两个，那我是不是把二当成 a，然后根号二的四次方当成 b，对不对？那我是不是就是 a 减 b 乘以 a 加 b，对不对？那我是不是这个
对的，
东西，
对的，
这个 a 的平方是不是就等于四啊？那 b 的
对。
平方呢？那根号二的四次方的平方等于什么？就等于根号二，所以就到这儿了。这个只是我告诉你这个根号哪来的。
哦，好的，好的。
嗯，
然后做到这里之后还能 simplify 吗？
哪里？这个下面还要做下去呢，这里没做完呢，这里不用 simplify，你没做完你，对吧？那你看你要这样怎么做？这个然后四减根号二加上乘以四加根号二等于16减二。这个下面你下面只要还有 square root 你就没完，然后你再
哦，好的，
二乘以四
上
等于，
面还要。
然后二乘以根号二等于二根号二，然后这个乘以这个就是加上四的根号二的四次方，然后在这个这个你要注意啊，这个等于什么？根号二的四次方乘以根号二等于什么？ 啊，把它变成不要把它写成这个形式，写成另外形式，2的1/4乘以2的1/2等于什么？等于2的3/4，所以等于什么？等于8的3次啊4次，这个就是答案。看起来很可怕，对不对？
对的。
嗯，
嗯，14，这是什么？4的8，是等于下面就14，上面
不是我把你课掉，你重新做一遍好不好？
嗯，
嗯，对啊。
那这后面你还能除以2吗？
可以啊，可以啊。哎，为什么要除以2？除以14吧，这是16减2，对啊，要除以没有14，你对，你可以上下都除以2，如果他们都有2，对，
那等于下面是14，
嗯，对啊，
但是我们那8好像那 square root 1
嗯哼，
2 but not 2。这怎么形成的？老天爷！是8加2 square root 2加4 root
我这个过
2加，
会儿是你的作业啊，我跟你说，你到时候我要看你的过程的啊。
好的，可能
OK，
写的确实有点乱，
对啊，我让
但
你写
是好的。
的。OK，好，那我们现在来看一下这个 logarithm。OK，so how to read it? OK，read as the logarithm of 8 base 2 is 3. OK，看到没有？怎么读啊？Logarithm of 8 base 2 is 3. OK，
嗯哼
读起来特别烦，
，yes，
是先读这个，然后再读这个，然后再读这个。OK，so since 3 to the power 5 equals 243, so log 这个 OK 好，这两道题我们就只做最后一题，最后一题等于多少
这是 -2。
？-2。OK，很好。好，我们下面，哎，怎么又下不去？哎呀，嗯嗯嗯嗯，重新
哦，
来一下。对，我要重新来一下。他不让我下去，他不让我翻面儿，怎么办？How do I do it? How do I do it?
你要删除的话，Ctrl W 可能行。
不是我要往下翻一页，你知道吗？
我翻译页，Arrow
嗯，
key 不好使吗
什么东西都不能
？WS
用啊，什么都不能用啊。
嗯，
你看，你看，不让我动啊，
那你不是的时候好使，
我试试看，也不能动啊。
那可能就是卡住了。
对啊，卡住了啊！
嗯，因为一
啊，怎么回事？啊啊嗯，我觉得他是强行要我那个，你知道吗？强行要我付钱，但是我付过钱了，然后我付过钱的那个账号忘记了。
付钱给什么呀？那 PPT
对啊，然后哦，好，动了！哎呦，我个去，动了，太让人激动了！哎哎呀， 好了，动，OK，我觉得可能这是我的电脑。好，看到了吗？Okay, I want you to follow
看到
converting the exponential equation to logarithmic equations. OK，把它写成 logarithm 这个。
好的
嗯
，log 327等于3 log 我的妈呀！啊，等一下，嗯like
做好了吗？
log 16，然后log 16 2 equals 1/4 log 嗯 log 我们现在 answer 在上面呢，我们那是 answer based on
log，
x
你就读，我来帮你写。
log 327
等于
等于3，
三。对对对，下面一个呢？log
嗯16 2等于14，
很好，下面呢？log
log x y
嗯
easy
，very good, get it？非常好。
yes
Okay, so next one. Converting the following logarithmic equation to the exponential. Back.
okay. um, by exponential equations do you mean
就是
是
把它写成 36 half equals 6。
哦就直接这样写就行了哦好的
嗯
然后3 to the power of -2 equals 1/9
嗯哼
then x to the power of c equals y
very good. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Okay, so if we have this one, log 3 and 1 over 243 equals what?
um let me write this down it's negative something equals I'm thinking 7 2 it's a square of some sort of 3 right so 3
Yeah.
to the power
那你怎么
yeah of course
So 243 divided by 3 equals 81, equals 327, equals 3 equals 9, equals 3 equals 3. So how many 3s? So 243 equals 3 to the power 5, right? So 1 over 243 equals 3 to
negative
the power
5
-5. So you can do what? Equals -5. Yeah. Get it?
let's go yeah
Uh-huh.
我
Okay.
当然就没有
The
存
next
下
one.
来
Logarithm 8 and 2.
好my what
Yeah, logarithm 8 equals 2.
this defies all my previous knowledge uh
So 8 equals what?
2
8
times 2
equals 2
times
to the
2 2
power
to the power
3.
3
Yeah.
but how do you multiply it by
2
something and make it 2 how can 8 become 2 if you're a square
a to the power 1 over 3 equals
oh right we can cube root it
two.
yeah we can cube root it 哎，我怎么忘了？还
对呀，
忘了。
对呀，你看，就得我经常过来打你屁股。
好的，好的。
今天我还会跟你妈说，你说多少说了，我可以随便打他屁股，
嗯，嘿嘿嘿嘿，
会了吗？
会了。
OK，好，下面啊，一二三四道题。
哇塞，哎，我都，因为我现在我那个纸很 mess，因为我都不知道什么时候会按 logarithm，所以我就一人 box 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 box。嗯625等于625除以5，对，125是25乘以5，一个，两个，三个，四个，就等于4。第一个是4吗？
自信一点，对，
哦，好的，如果是5的话，那我就发疯了。嗯，question one half 怎么变成2呢？啊，怎么除以 negative 1呢？对，就是 negative 1。第二个是 negative 1吗？
那你看看吧，1/2 -1 等不等于2？对呀，very good。
嗯，能除以6吗？1除以6，6，嗯，原初的3那不行。第3好奇怪，因为如果是1除以9的话，那这是3，然后是，哎，因为呢？
嗯，你
哎，
看啊，
我
我
在
现在我
跟我自己
现在我
说话。
现在我现在教你个办法啊，我现在教你个小诀
嗯，
窍啊，这个有很好玩的地方啊。OK，so Dora 看好啊，so log9，快，不要做了，看我，我马上让你很快做出来。log9是不是等于3的平方？这个3
对的，
根号是不是等于1/2，对不对？Correct？
对，
Okay. So whatever here you put it down. Okay. So whatever on the top you put it top. So equals log 3. OK， so 在 base 上面的你放在 denominator，在这个上面的你放在 numerator。好了，log 3 等于1，对不对？所以这道题目就等于
哦
1/2除以2等于1/4。那你来看看对不对？好吧，9。
哦，我也这样做到了，我也做到那个地方了。
对啊，那
对，
我这样是不是快嘛？
你这个更快，对，
对，然后而
我还，
且而且而且，你看你下面一道题，你就用这个方法做，就不会乱。你看这个就是什么 log 的5的1/2次，对不对？这个呢是 log，啊，sorry，不是没有 log，这个是5的1/2次，对不对？这个呢是5的什么1/3次，对不对
嗯，
？OK，那你就把它1/3放在外面，下面的1/2等于 log 5，所以这题目就变成1/3乘以2等于2/3。你前面那个还可以用自己想办法凑，后面这个必须要用我的方法。
嗯，好的，好的，
再重新做一遍最后一题。
嗯嗯，好嘞，
好了吗？ OK，好，那我们下面来看。哎呀，又不动哦，这是最后一个了，这是最后一个了。
哦，不不，还，我的 box 都已经 box 上了，哎呦我的，
什么东西？什么东西？box 都 box 上。
因为我这个很乱嘛，所以我在
嗯，
做我的 boxes。
哦，
嗯，我本来要做个很大的一个 box for logarithm，但是每次我还以为完事还有，
对对对，没事儿。OK，那我们今天
直接就
这个题目
分享。
我会给你再出一点，就比如说像这种类型的题目啊，我现在给你出一
嗯，
下，比如说 log 5的625加上不对不对，我不会这样，我会说是 log 5的300加上 log 不对不对，我就打个例子吧，不然的话不
嗯，
你就知道就行了，就怎么做。OK，然后就是这样，对不对？我是 log 5的625除以7加上 log，那你看这个是不是算不出来？这个也算不出来，对不对？你就要用那个公式，就变成 log 5的625分之7乘以7，对不对？因为两个加就等于乘嘛，对不对？你前面让你背，
对了，
所以是不是就等于625？所以就等于4，是这样子，就会用这种题目，或者还有 log，比如
嗯，
说3的9次方减去 log 3的3次方就等于 log 3的9除以3，which is log 3的3次方，所以等于1，明白吗？
嗯，
就 something like that. I'm going to give you a question like that. OK，
好的好的，
明白了，
嗯哼
对的，是不是还学的还行
，OK，
吧？但是我给你前面那个题目，我觉得你要稍微注意一下，就是那个下面根号3减根号2，然后那个你要多练练。
嗯，好的
OK，
好的
好好好好，那我
，OK
快快把
OK，
把题目发给你妈妈啊。OK，中秋节快乐啊，Dora。
好的，
嗯哼，
嗯，好的，拜
拜拜，拜拜。
拜。